In this video, we explore how the Wall Street Journal's WSJ 2025 College Rankings have redefined the landscape of higher education by shifting the focus from prestige to value. Traditionally, college rankings highlighted elite universities known for their long-standing reputations. However, this year's rankings reflect a new perspective, one that emphasizes practical, hands-on learning and real-world outcomes over legacy status. Wall Street Journal WSJ ranking highlights. A key example of this shift is Babson College, which made a shocking leap to second place. Babson's meteoric rise highlights the importance of career readiness and student satisfaction, factors that resonate more with today's students. The college's curriculum prioritizes entrepreneurial skills, experiential learning, and internships, giving students practical tools to succeed in the job market immediately after graduation. This value-focused approach proved crucial in reshaping the rankings, challenging the dominance of traditional brand-name institutions. In this video, we explore how the Wall Street Journal's WSJ 2025 College Rankings have redefined the landscape of higher education by shifting the focus from prestige to value. Traditionally, college rankings highlighted elite universities known for their long-standing reputations. However, this year's rankings reflect a new perspective, one that emphasizes practical, hands-on learning and real-world outcomes over legacy status. Wall Street Journal WSJ. Moreover, in this video, you'll see a major shift in the 2025 WSJ College Rankings from prestige to practical value. Schools like Babson College soared to second place by emphasizing hands-on learning and career readiness. As families focus on ROI, return on investment, over reputation, applicants will prioritize colleges with internships and real-world experiences. This trend encourages students to explore beyond brand-name schools, building college lists based on program fit and outcomes. The new strategy for admissions is clear. Value and practical skills now outweigh legacy prestige. Here are America's best colleges from the Wall Street Journal 2025. Number 1. Princeton University, New Jersey. Number 2. Babson College, Massachusetts. Number 3. Stanford University, California. Number 4. Yale University, Connecticut. Number 5. Claremont McKenna College, California. Number 6. Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Number 7. Harvard University, Massachusetts. Number 8. University of California. Number 9. Georgia Institute of Technology. Number 10. Davidson College, North Carolina. Number 11. Bentley University, Massachusetts. Number 12. University of California, Davis. Number 13. University of Pennsylvania. Number 14. Columbia University, New York. Number 15. Lehigh University, Pennsylvania. Number 16. San Jose State University, California. Number 17. University of Notre Dame, Indiana. Number 18. University of California, Merced. Number 19. Virginia Tech, Virginia. Number 20. Harvey Mudd College, California. Number 21. California State Polytechnic University. Number 22. University of Michigan. Number 23. Loyola University, Maryland. Number 24. California State University, Stanislaus, California. Number 25. Colgate University, New York. Number 26. University of Delaware. Number 27. Cornell University, New York. Number 28. Texas A&M University. Number 29. Rice University, Texas. Number 30. University of California, San Diego. Number 31. University of California, Irvine. Number 32. Washington University in St. Louis. Number 33. University of Virginia. Number 34. Georgetown University, District of Columbia. Number 35. Swarthmore College, Pennsylvania. Number 36. Brown University, Rhode Island. Number 37. Augustana College, Illinois. Number 38. Santa Clara University. Number 39. California Institute of Technology. Number 40. Towson University, Maryland. Number 41. University of Texas at Austin, Texas. Number 42. St. Joseph's University, Pennsylvania. Number 43. University of Detroit. Number 44. Vanderbilt University. Number 45. Duke University, North Carolina. Number 46. California State University. Number 47. University of San Diego. Number 48. California Polytechnic State University. Number 49. University of Southern California. Number 50. Washington and Lee University, Virginia.